I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight we have something exciting for you. It is Friday night, it is date night, and me and old James Russell, we ain't a-going out. We're gonna stay right here at home, save ourselves a few dollars, and we are gonna be making our own supper. We got these two beautiful steaks here. And y'all, if you went out, this would cost you over $100, I'm sure. But for $11, $12 a piece, honey, we're going to show you how to do it. And we have partnered with Monument Grills, and they have sent us their Mesa II 415BZ, and we are going to show y'all all about it.
All right, y'all, we got two beautiful ribeyes, and we got this Monument Mesa 415BZ that they were very nice to send us. And we about to fire this thing up, y'all. We have burned it in. That's all I've done is assembled. It came in as usual, boxed neatly. It was easy to assemble. Took me about an hour. And y'all, this is a small version. Doesn't take up very much room on our patio, but a small package, big performance in this grill, y'all. All right, I'm gonna fire it up really for the first time. Let's see how it does. First click. First click. Right on time, y'all. All right, one of the big things about this grill right here is it heats up so fast. It goes from 0 to 500 in just 5 minutes. So I'm going to close. It is 6:41 on my watch. I'm going to close this lid. You see us at, well, it's already went up almost 100 degrees already, y'all.
She's a smoking.
Well, I sprayed down the grate, so it's going to smoke off a little bit. I didn't want the steaks to stick because the grates are brand new. So I sprayed them down with some canola oil, y'all, where it wouldn't take all our seasoning off the steaks. But we're going to see how quick it does. It's 6:41. We're going to see how quick it does what it says, up to 500 degrees. And we're going to get these steaks going. All right, y'all, that took literally 4 minutes to get to 500 degrees. Now, I don't want it to get up to 700 degrees where I can't get my steaks off the grill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this sear on them. And then, look at there. You talk about professional grade searing, there you go. This is the broil zone that they have in their highest quality models of the Mesa. And it's just a smaller version. It don't take up your whole patio. You can still have all sorts of space on your patio and use it for other things. And we about to let these steaks get some grill marks on them.
It's not a go, y'all.
That's some pretty good marks right there, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm going to let that sear get in them real good. And then I'm going to move them over here onto this other side where the heat's turned down. And I'm going to let them cook real slow up to a medium temperature. And then we're going to have some medium ribeyes.
Yes.
For supper.
Didn't
and y'all,
even have to leave the house to get them.
This grill is designed where you can have a meal in 10 to 15 minutes. And that's what we're going to have. This steak will be ready in probably 15 minutes tops.
Yep.
And that's what it's made for. It's made for everyday cooking. It's a workhorse, y'all. Look at that. Look at the heat in that thing. You can come out here and just, it's made to cook with every single day. It don't take up no room.
It's a great one for somebody starting out.
Yeah, or you know, small family or couple or whatever. You come in from work, you don't want to heat your house up. You don't want to, you just come out in the backyard and fire it up. Do your thing.
It's that time, grilling season.
It is.
So, yes.
All right, I'm gonna move these over and we're gonna get to it.
Looking good.
All right, y'all, wanted to talk about the side burner here. If you had vegetables or mushrooms and onions and stuff like that you wanted to cook to go with your steak, you can do them right here. You didn't have to, do anything inside in the kitchen. This side here lifts and folds out of the way to make it even more compact. And you can slide it over. If you have a small patio or small space to cook, you don't even have to use this part. So you really can use, only a half portion of it, and you still have an extra cook space. I'm telling you, y'all, you get a high-performing grill in a small package. You really can't beat this model of a grill, especially if you live in an area, say you live in a condo or somewhere where you only have a small patio. This is a really, really high-performance grill. You're getting a lot of bang for the size of this model. All right, y'all, dinner is about to be served. Look at there, piping hot, two beautiful ribeyes. We're gonna let these rest just a minute, and we're gonna see what she looks like inside. I put them on at 644 and seared them. 708 they came off, and I turned them way down after I seared them. I turned them way down because they're so thick, and they are almost 1.5 inches thick. So they took a while to cook. I mean, we like thick steaks, so anyway, you can use this grill every single day and have a meal in 15-20 minutes. That's what it's designed to do, y'all, because it heats up really, really fast. Let's get in here and see what these ribeyes taste like.
All right, y'all, it is all ready. Date night did not have to be expensive. You can just make it right at home. It save money, save gas, save time.
Yeah, time. A lot of places you go out to eat a higher end steak, you spend a lot of time waiting. Have to make reservations of places. One of the places we like to go to, you have to make a reservation, or one of the other places they don't take reservations, so you have to just wait and wait.
You got to be there, honey.
Yeah, if you ain't there for the first service, you're gonna be sitting there waiting an hour.
Half the night.
Yep.
You can wish you just cooked it on your little Monument Grill at the house.
And it was just quick. I mean, really quick. Yep.
We threw it together just that quick.
Yeah.
And y'all, if you want to set you up a little candlelight dinner, whatever, honey, you can do that right at your house. You ain't got to go out to have date night.
Right. Have yourself a date night.
Yeah.
Yeah. Treat yourself.
Treat yourself, honey.
Yeah.
And check out that Monument Grill.
Yeah.
And
Mesa II.
415 BZ, right?
She got it.
I got it. Can you believe it? I didn't put it together, y'all. So in my defense, he did.
True.
So I didn't look at all the parts and all the stuff, but I'm looking at this steak.
Yeah, it's talking.
Steak.
It's talking. Yeah, you need to go in.
We're gonna have it. We're about to eat.
Yeah.
We're about to say the blessing and have some.
Well, I tell you, once again, thanks to Monument. They have been so good to us.
They really have.
Yeah. And we will have all their information in the description. Take you right to the Monument Mesa II 415 BZ. I have a link to it if that's what interests you, and I also have a link to their regular website, and go check out all of their grills, all of their line of grills, and their accessories.
Yes.
They got some fabulous accessories coming out this year. I'm telling you.
And look, we got us a little apron. Y'all know how I love aprons, honey.
Yeah.
Yes.
Make us feel special.
Yeah. So thank you to Monument Grills.
Yes.
And we are going to enjoy our little grill.
Yes, we are.
And until next time, y'all get to grilling.
Peace.